Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe with ERA Suncoast Realty. Today I'm at 10502 East Hope Court in Inverness, Florida. It's an adorable home, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with flexibility for a 3rd bedroom, and it's got a new roof, a new HVAC, a new water filtration system, and a new water heater. So come take a tour with me. Okay guys, thanks for joining me on this tour of 10502 East Hope Court in Inverness, Florida. One thing that I forgot to mention is that it also has all new appliances and granite countertops, as well as nice neutral tile throughout the home. If you would like to see this home or would like more information, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.